1, 2, 3. This is like snowmobile exploring. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Slav Squad here. We're out on some pit bikes today. We have a trail that we actually went on to one. We'll have it linked up above with the craziest view, and we've been wanting to go back, and we have Brian here with the Surron. He's been telling us he can take us through a different way because the way we went before had a bunch of cairns and everything, so we're gonna try to avoid that, and it's gonna get dark soon, so this might turn into a very interesting ride. We're also gonna do a race probably. He's got the 72 volt, I think, 15,000 whatever, I don't know Surron's guys. But he's got the fast one and I got my 190, and we're gonna see which bike's faster. Let's go. This trail should be pretty dope. Like where we went, the view is really sick over there actually. Yeah, you can tell that thing has power. Like you just give some gas and then it just pops right up. Pretty crazy. I want to do a little race before it gets dark at least.
You warmed up enough?
I think it's fine.
Okay.
You want to go from a start, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll count to 3 and then on 3 we go. 1, 2, 3. Not bad, but we need to do a roll. Alright, we're off to this wild excursion, boys. Should be interesting. Damn, dude, I don't have freaking goggles right now. It sucks. It's like fall riding right now. It basically is fall. It's like September.
Was there another trail that went off back there? I don't think this is it.
To the right? I don't know.
Dude, where are we going? I'm a little lost.
Right now we're trying to find this like mountain bike trail that we're supposed to go on.
We're just gonna like kind of pick our way out of here and find the trail. But should be here somewhere. This is like snowmobile exploring. We're like not far from the trail.
I think we just keep going. Figure it out. Yeah, side hilling right here, Slavic. Yeah. See, if that's on the trail, this is gonna suck going back up. Cause I don't know if this bike is gonna go back up.
It's like boondocking on a sled.
Yeah, for real.
Dang, not having a lot of clearance makes it a lot harder on these tight trails because you don't want to like hit your freaking toes. I did not see that jump. I don't know if Peter saw that jump either. Sick trail. smallest bike with the smallest engine.
Yeah, I gotta stay behind.
Do you want to go in front of me? I think I'm throwing more dust.
Brian just lent me his goggles, dude. What a nice guy. So much better. Oh shit. These are nice goggles too.
I just gotta trust Peter at this point. I can't see too much. It's getting a little dark. The rocks get you as far, like I don't. Hitting a rock stuff. Hey Peter, I have a question.
What?
Did you put gas in your bike?
No.
I didn't put gas in mine.
I'm half.
Half?
We're a shit
Didn't put gas
show.
in yours?
I didn't.
You guys are low on fuel. I got a tire constantly leaking.
Dude, I'm low.
Are you?
Yeah.
Shit.
Hey, it's all downhill, right?
That is true. I was gonna stop by the gas station before and I forgot. This
That's
is,
if you were in a hurry. You're like, oh shit, I'm running late.
yeah, I was running way late.
Keeps going flat pretty fast.
I just don't want it to go too low with all those rocks.
Yeah. I wonder why Slavic's back there.
Maybe he's conserving fuel.
Nah, I doubt it. Probably fell.
We're 3/4 of the way.
I ate crap.
You did?
Look at my freaking.
Oh shit.
Finally.
Yeah.
I knew you did something.
I was like going, it was dark. And it was like a jump and then a bump. And I hit the front wheel on the bump and just flew off.
All those little
shit.
cutouts for the runoff.
Yeah.
Hey. It was like foggy up here. Damn. This really reminds me of fall now. Damn, we got foggy quick. It's moister than an oyster down here.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What was that?
I hit that one thing on the front wheel and it flew over.
That rock?
Yeah.
That's a little sharp looking rock.
Scorpion a little bit.
I've never been here before. Oh, that's sick. never been here before.
Oh, you have? Where'd you guys come up before then?
We went up where we had to climb up a big, like, you have to drop the bikes, walk up a trail, it has a bunch of Bible verses on, and it's on the top of a rock.
Oh, I've never seen that one.
What's going on here, Slog?
We are stealing fuel from your bike.
Why is that? What do we do?
So that if we get stranded, you get stranded, not me.
And this guy's here changing a tire on the mountain.
Dude, we got literally like every problem you can think of. We had, my clutch is getting stuck. Having that issue, I ate crap already once.
I ate too.
He ate crap. Tires flat.
Sun went down.
Sun's going down.
That's part of the adventure though, right?
It is.
Dude, I come prepared. I told you we're gonna come out here and have a romantic view. Brian comes prepared with all the tools. I come prepared with sandwiches.
We throw everybody together, we'll make it.
We'll survive.
Yeah.
Upset people that go through his property.
So we're going back now after Brian fixed his tire. It's so damn cold, dude. Like, I'm freezing. And then we're riding out in the dark too. It's sick. Love it. Bastard, dude. He didn't turn on the fuel. And they're not even looking back. Dude, this light is so nice. It's bright as hell. This is pretty cool. I've never been like in the woods at night on a pit bike and been able to see this well. Like, this light is freaking nice.
Sketchy one.
Dang, that was fun. Oh! Looks like we're down. That was fun. Dude, I think with these lights, I'd go night riding all the time.
I know, right?
It's just nice, dude.
It's been an interesting ride down. We actually got down faster than when we went coming up. So it was nice.
Yeah,
Nobody
was pretty
fell.
fast.
Well, it's been a good adventure, guys.
Yeah,
This is Brian. He's the one who's showed us this whole area. We've never been up this area. We were expecting to go a different like rock. This is a whole nother place that I've never been down here.
Yeah,
so
that spot's pretty fun.
100%. What's
Absolutely.
your YouTube again?
Oh, it's just my name. I haven't uploaded much on there, but you're welcome to go check it out. I got some Surron content on it, so.
Anyways, go follow him on YouTube, and you'll see more content from us. All right, guys, so the moment has finally come for us to pick the winner of our giveaway. The giveaway, again, was $300 or GoPro 10. We're about to select the winner, boys. So we got the link in there. This is a random comment picker, so let's see. No replies, no duplicates. All right, boys. The moment is here. 509, bro. Heck yeah, that's freaking awesome. So I wasn't originally planning on like FaceTiming anybody, but since this is actually somebody that I know and I actually have their phone number, let's give them a FaceTime, boys, and let's get a reaction here.
Hey, what's up, man?
Bro, sorry, are you sleeping?
No, dude. I'm actually filming a video.
Oh, okay, that's good. I had a really urgent thing that, can you see that?
Yeah.
What
No
is-
way.
yeah. Yeah.
Dude, that is cool.
Yeah, I was worried about bots and everything in the video, and I saw you. I was like, freaking yeah, heck yeah. Hey, this is a little gas money, I guess, since you have to drive so far to get to us to help us film.
Oh, man. Dude, hey, I was actually thinking about it. If I win, I think, dude, just pass that on, like, do the next raffle, man.
You want to do it with somebody else?
Yeah, because, we always help each other, but just give it to somebody that watches your videos, like one of the fans.
All right, I'll do that.
Yeah. That's cool, dude. That's crazy.
Well, you guys heard it from 509. He wants me to pass it on to somebody else, so let's do just that. So, start over. Pick another winner. Quarter mile. You the winner, brother. Let's go. So quarter mile, you know what to do. Since you are not somebody that I know, I'm gonna have my email down in the description below. Send me an email, and then what I'm gonna do is have you edit your original comment on this video, and then you can decide GoPro 10 or $300. Let's go. See you guys next time. Goodbye.
All right, pause it.